Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are good. So guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to use tomato and white sugar to clear your acne, your pimples, and your black spot. Okay, so you can also use brown sugar. Brown sugar is also good as far as sugar, but I'll be using white sugar on this video. So this is only the two ingredients that I'll be using. Okay, sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Okay, so guys, all I'm going to do, I'll be cutting this tomato into two parts, or rather I'm just going to cut off the head of the tomatoes. Okay, so guys, this is the tomatoes and here is my knife. Okay, you can use any tomatoes of your choice. So this one you can see is a bit strong. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it like so. So this is it. Okay, you can see, so this is it. So all I have to do is for me to use my knife to pierce it a little bit so that the water can, come out. So just piercing it. So you can see the water is coming out. Yeah, because the tomatoes is still strong. Okay, so the next step is to add the sugar on top the tomatoes. Okay, so guys, the next I will do, this is my tomato and this is a teaspoon of sugar. So just put it like this on top the tomato, just like this, you can see. So then I'll start by using it to scrub my face. Okay, please, when you are doing this, don't put on your Christmas wear. Okay, don't put on your party wear. Make sure, because the water of the tomato might drip on your clothes. Okay, so I'll use it like this, you can see. So mind you guys, when you are doing it, try and be pressing the tomatoes like this so that the water will be coming out. Okay, like this. So as you can see, there is no more sugar I'll be adding to it. Okay, to continue at my forehead like this, I'll be adding more sugar. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, so guys, that is it. So tomato is very good for the skin, and as well sugar is also very good. Okay, you can see my clothes is stained, so that's why I told you guys, when you want to do it, don't wear your Christmas clothes. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to leave it like this and allow it to stay for 20 to 30 minutes. So after that, I'll just wash it with only water. I'll rinse out my face with only warm or cold water. Is okay. Then after that, you can apply your moisturized cream. Do this for at least 5 days to 1 week, and you will see the result. Believe me guys, it works like magic. Okay, so like this one that is remaining, or the one that is like this, so I can keep it and also use it tomorrow. So if you want to use it tomorrow, just trim off the head a little. When you cut tomatoes like this, before you know it, it's a bit dry. Okay, so just cut off the head, like cut it off a little bit. Then you can add your sugar and use it again. Like this one, because it's a bit big, you can use it to like up to 3 days. Yeah, you can use this for like 3 days. So anytime you want to use it, just cut off the head a little bit, then put your sugar and you're good to go. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. I will see you again on my next one. Bye bye.